Sebaceous Filaments Removal Guide. Deep Pore Cleaning explained. Many people think they have blackheads. But what if they don't? What if those tiny dots on the nose are actually something completely different? Today we're breaking down one of the most misunderstood topics in skincare: sebaceous filaments. What they are, why they appear, and what realistic pore cleaning can actually achieve. What are sebaceous filaments? Sebaceous filaments are natural structures inside pores. Their job is simple. They help move oil from deep inside the skin to the surface. Every person has them. They are a normal part of healthy skin. Why people confuse them with blackheads? At first glance, they can look similar, but there are important differences. Blackheads are clogged pores. Sebaceous filaments are natural oil channels. Blackheads are usually darker and larger. Sebaceous filaments are often gray, light brown, yellowish, and appear more evenly distributed. Where are sebaceous filaments most common? They are most visible in oil-rich areas like the nose, around the nostrils, central cheeks, forehead, T-zone. These areas naturally produce more oil. Can they be removed? Temporarily, yes. Pore cleaning can reduce their appearance. But because sebaceous filaments are natural structures, they will eventually refill as oil production continues. Step 1. Deep cleansing process. The skin is cleansed thoroughly to remove surface oil and debris. Step 2. Steam softening. Warm steam helps soften excess oil inside the pores. Step 3. Sebaceous filaments extraction. As extraction begins, the oil-filled filaments become visible. The pores appear cleaner immediately after removal. Step 4. Understanding realistic results. The goal isn't to permanently remove sebaceous filaments. The goal is to reduce their appearance, improve texture, keep pores looking cleaner. Final results: before, visible sebaceous filaments and oily pore appearance; after, cleaner looking pores and smoother skin texture, a realistic pore cleaning transformation. Final message: not every dark pore is a blackhead. Understanding the difference helps create realistic skincare expectations. Healthy skin isn't about perfect pores, it's about well-maintained pores. If you enjoyed this sebaceous filaments removal guide, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more skincare education, pore cleaning, and satisfying extraction videos.